This screen provides an overview of your account analytics. First, there's the inventory report, which details the total inventory, including available items, pickups due, and expiry records. It shows how many inventories have registration, insurance, or service due. Clicking on each will display the corresponding inventory list. On the right side, you'll find a booking status list with the current status. The expiry dues list includes the expiry date, inventory name, and expiry type. Next is the invoice report, which outlines total sales, amounts received, and expenses. You can generate this report by selecting a time frame from the drop-down menu, daily, weekly, or monthly, and choosing specific dates. The following section displays the count of open invoices, any pending balances, alerts, and the total number of bookings. Finally, the customer balance report features a bar chart showing pending balances by name.